The FactoryMation Knowledge Base is a helpful collection of application notes, quick start guides, tutorials, and videos. The knowledge base content is added to and updated on a regular basis to assist and inform FactoryMation customers. To find the knowledge base, bring up the FactoryMation website and click on Support on the navigation bar at the top of the page. Now, click Knowledge Base on the drop-down menu. The knowledge base is divided into many categories based on the type of information available. For this example, let's click on the AC drives category. You can click on either the thumbnail image or the title of the category to open it. Some categories have subcategories, and the AC drives category is one of them. Navigate to the FMX TD400 series subcategory. Now we can see all the resources currently compiled for the FMX TD400. Each publication has a title, a summary of the contents, and then a link to the publication. Look at the first entry on this page as an example. The title includes a code, AN-GEN-004, and a full title, Determining Motor Full Load Amps. The summary explains what to expect from reading the document, and the link has a PDF thumbnail indicating that this publication is a PDF document. If we click the thumbnail, it will open the document. Close this new tab and return to the FMX TD400 page. Now, let's scroll down the page to see the bottom half. You can see that there are other thumbnail images in the links column for some entries. This play button thumbnail indicates that the publication is a video. Meanwhile, clicking on the green and white thumbnail here will download software associated with the entry. Knowledge base publications are also included on relevant product pages. Click on Products at the top of the page, mouse over AC drives, and select the TD400 series. If you click on the Knowledge Base tab at the TD400 page, it will load the TD400 Knowledge Base page as we were previously viewing. Instead, let's click on the first TD400 listing and bring up the product detail page. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Knowledge Base. Knowledge Base entries related to this product are now displayed below the tabs. The FactoryMation Knowledge Base is a great resource for customers that is constantly expanding. Start learning with the Knowledge Base today at FactoryMation.com.